Hello my good people, welcome again to another amazing video of $50 to $10,000 Forex challenge. This is the week 2 and this is the first trade we are about to take. My people, before we jump into the video, they call me Dinox Unji Khalifa, Tamara Mara, Govika Shame Kozuni Panditing, Chief Inspector Brown. Master. And now remember to join this challenge of $50 to $10,000. Now it is free under the Heistfx Study Room. Remember, you only need to create an account with the hot forex market. Yeah, once you just create it with the link on my bio, and then you just DM me. My number is here, or just text me over the chat in TikTok, and then I'll just simply add you here. We were 6 people, now we are up 19 people. You only need to create an account. Imagine just creating an account, depositing, and then taking our trades with the Heistmaster. Only that, as simple as that. Now I was applying a little of risk management there. Now this was a seller on GBP USD, my people. Yeah, so on this before now we enter to deep analysis of this what I saw in order for me to take this trade. Remember to have a solid risk management. Yeah, so we are using a one trader one shot haste strategy, and now this is how we apply our risk management. How remember to have a solid take profit and a solid stop loss, my people. Yeah, so yeah, I'm doing small settings there with now this the risk management thing there, and then we now enter into the analysis of what I saw in order for me to take this trade together with those under the Heistmastersfx Study Room. Yeah, simply create an account with the what forex market man abundance global. So in this one, how you can see how we clearly have a resistance ceiling. Yeah, so once the price is always in our area of interest, we'll be looking to attack with a sniper entry from those areas there, man abundance global. Yeah. So I'll be coming into deep analysis of this from the 15 minutes. New York will be coming afterwards. Yeah, so we now loss of $3 there. In this challenge of $50 to 10,000, we have only taken 2 trades, and now with this one, now these are 3 trades. So the first trade we flipped the 50 to 100, and then now the second trade card JPY we had a loss of $20, and now we want now to come back hotter because I told you guys the Heistmasters never misses a shot twice. If I miss this time, when I catch it, I'll now enter the market with our heavy bullet. Yeah, now you can see how clearly my stop loss is above that. Remember I told you guys, when we have equal bullish and bearish power at the same level from these bigger time frames, now that is a clear area of support or resistance. So my take profit is down there, so I'll be adjusting it when I'll be looking about the market structure, so I know how when to add other positions and where now to maybe close or continue holding here. Yeah? Because this thing we have done it several times. Yeah, now this is it all. Now let us now jump into the charts. Yeah, so the Heistmasters, I told them now having a beautiful engulfing 4-hour candle reacting off from our area of interest. So we'll be interested to take this trade as soonest. And then in a few I told them I'm now full in. You can see how I'm feeding them. I'm spoon feeding this, my people. Yeah, because I want the best from them. Nothing makes a mentor happy than seeing his students profitable. That is why with the hot forex market you can find yourself here, whereby I give you free mentorship. You only need to create an account and deposit, my people. Now let us jump into the analysis, man, about this global. Yeah. Yeah, are you loving the energy? It's been quite a minute, my people. Yeah, so I was working on these trades. I remember we have a lot of errands. Yeah, now let us now jump into the analysis. Now from this 15 minutes, you can see how we clearly have a trend line, and I usually tell you guys after a break of trend line, we usually have that retest of that trend line, and then we continue with the flow. Now that we were reacting off from that trend line there, and then to our resistant ceiling. Now after a clear break of a trend line, we'll have a clear retest of it, and then we continue now downwards. That's why I was telling the Heistmasters under the study room, this is an early entry because I'm expecting a small retest of that trend line so that the market can continue flowing downwards, my people. Yeah, so I've given them my stop loss, my take profit, though it's an early entry. Remember to have a solid risk management or stay away from this. Yeah, from that. Yeah, still looking for a clear opportunity, my people. Yeah, so if you have based on your account size, you can play with the risk management there. Now afterwards, my people, you can see now we are at 153. Remember. And still holding, my people. Yeah, so all these you'll get it at a YouTube Heistfx Academy, yeah, my people. So don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, because we now have the full tea there. Yeah, I was just giving you a synopsis of what we are doing under the Heist Study Room, my people. Yeah, remember to join us, my people. Create a counter with the hot forex market. The link is on my bio, and then I deposit any amount as little as $5. You can just deposit there, and then you'll be joining the Heist Masters under the Heist Study Room, and then it's gonna be hotter than lava. Yeah, as always. Remember, this is how we do it. Then the $50 to 10,000 challenge to the moon. Yeah, so that is it all. Remember to follow the full video at Heistfx Academy, and we usually upload them every day at 4:30 p.m. and this is week 2 of our challenge. It's gonna be hotter than lava, and now working with hot forex markets, my people. Yeah. You are not ready. Yeah, and so they call me Dinox Nji Khalifa, Tamara Mara, Govika Shiameko Junior Panditing, Chief Inspector, Brian Heist Masters Panditing. Peace out.
One trade.
Hey!
I'ma do shit my way.
One shot.
So you can go kick rocks. I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.
Heist. Welcome again to part 2 of this journey. My people, I want you to learn a lesson. So when the market was rising at this area, so I had to place a resistant ceiling whereby the market had been reacting from that area. That is around psychological 26,000. So I had another resistant ceiling inside that area of profit, my friends. So I want this video not only for educational purposes, but to add something in your life, yeah, so that you can learn it in your forex journey. So at this point, I was up almost $80 with an equity of 150, yeah, because I was trying to rush, and I thought now I was late for this journey. Now at this level, there's another area there where price had been reacting for, yeah. You can see around 28, it is 2800. The price had not broken below that area, so I had already marked that area, and again I had another resistance ceiling there. So if the market could break below that area, I could add another position. And then because now this is another day, the first day was on Monday, now this is on Tuesday, today morning, yeah. So I added another position of 0.1 lots. So at this point, I had gone against my rules, one trade, one shot. I had over margined the account, and then I had taken more than a trade. I always say give each trade a shot. Now here I had more than the maximum that I should go, because I thought, because I think I am late in achieving these $50 to 10,000 goals. Now at this area, the market was dropping on quite well, and then I left the phone to do my other things. When I came back, I found out that the market was reacting from my area of interest. And then that was another red flag. I remember, if you have doubled your account, that was a better place for me to just exit out of the market. But I felt like the market owes me more, because I thought I was late in this challenge, yeah. So and then I had that potential, or that the market had potential still to continue pushing down, my people, yeah. So I kept on holding, and then at this point, now the market was reacting. Now the market again passed my resistance ceiling. This was another good reason for me to stay out of the market. But then there's that second thought: what if I exit the market and then the market continues to the right direction, and then afterwards all was just in dust? Sometimes this do happen. You can be up $1,000 and then the next minute you are down, like you've just blown the account. So I never applied risk management on the earlier trade that I added in the morning. Remember how we usually stick into a solid risk management plan whereby we target $50 and then we risk anywhere over 20 there and above. So I was too greedy in this trade. I've learned a lot of a lesson from only this trade, and then the way I had other pairs analyzed well this week. You can see this one I wanted to buy after a retest over this zone here. You can see how we have missed plenty of these opportunities, and then the trade that we have given a short is the one that has blown the account. So it has been a good journey with you, my people. So this is the season finale. I've learned a lot. Never deviate from your strategy, never be greedy, know when to take your money out of the market. You can see how we had analyzed. You can go to the previous video and see how we had analyzed all these markets into perfection. I was waiting for, if we fail to form the left shoulder, I was going to buy on Euro USD, but then I decided to give GBP USD a shot, and then you can see how we we also had a clear opportunity in here. But then it is what it is, my people. At the end of the day, you cannot predict these big reversals in the market because you only trade what you see and not what you hear. I saw that was a bearish movement, and that is what I traded. And then now the account is at $7. That is a lesson learned. And my people, just to say, I know I am a great and a good trader. I know when it comes to candlestick analysis, I am a doctor. I have flipped a dollar account to 500. I have flipped $5 to 100. I have done a lot of account flips. But then now I wanted to go bigger with these account flips, because if others have done it, why not the Heistmaster? And I usually believe in myself and I know I can achieve this. That is why I decided to give it a shot. But then after the first loss I got in, I became too greedy with this. I think I had already doubled the amount of money, because initially when we started this challenge, I said we were only going to concentrate on doubling the account. Every trade was aimed at doubling. Now today I had doubled, but then I wanted to make it to maybe 200. So 50 pips, $50, waiting for $50 now blew the account. That is a lesson learned, and now we have officially blown this account. I have $7 here left. I know I can still do magic when I go now to the synthetics, because I know when it comes to synthetics, I'm only going to concentrate on the technicals. I'm not going to pay now attention to the fundamentals. I'll be now in dark mode, and then now this account is not blown because we still have 7 bullets inside it. If I have flipped a $5 account to $100, $1 to all those, and then I've done multiple trading since I started my trading career, I know I have room for improvement. I've learned my lesson hard, and hope you people have learned from me. I am the best. I am a profitable. I am a successful. And then I know I'll go far with trading. But then if I stick to the one trade, one shot, if I stop being now greedy. Once I decide on continuing flipping this account or any trade that I will take with this $7, I'll let you guys know. So I'll be making those. You remember when I was doing those $1 to infinity account flip? I'll be doing those, but then at the end of I'll update you when I could have gotten to $10,000 with this account. Everything recorded here, whether I'm going to top up in this account, maybe the $100 that I've lost, or maybe I'm going to top up even $500 so that I can achieve the goal. I'll be letting you know. Yeah, so fam, it has been a very good journey. You've really supported me, and I really love you, the Heistmasters, now, and this is a stepping stone. As you always say, take every challenge as a stepping stone. Yeah, I still have 7 bullets to go. I'll now give it a shot again with now the synthetics. Yeah, so we'll meet you guys, so don't forget to subscribe, because kuvunjika kwa mwiko si mwisho wa kupika ugali. Yeah, in other times, I mean, inaitwaje, I don't know how I translate that. Yeah, it is not over until it is officially over, my people. So that is it. I love you so much, so don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. If you've learned something from me, don't forget to put it in practice. All the days of my life, I'll challenge myself into greater heights and greater levels. Yeah, so trading is the only thing that will make you learn a lot of lessons in this life. So they call me Dinox Sunji Khalifa, Tamara Mara, Govika Shiame Kozunia Panditing, Chief Inspector Bro. Master Boy V. So until next time, my people, we always be getting bigger and better each and every day, because the market is going to present these opportunities now and again. We are the ones to now single out which opportunities we are going to attack and which one we are not going to pay attention to. Remember, if you want to become under the Heistfx Study Room, remember to open an account with the hot Forex markets, because it's never over. We have just started. Yeah, this is only but just a humble beginning. Until next time, peace out.